This video will help you develop your internet marketing plan. There are 7 important steps to successful internet marketing that I want to cover today. A great internet marketing strategy should involve getting traffic to your site and building a valuable product. This means you need to do all the things necessary to get traffic to your website. Hi there and welcome to the Irola channel. Here we talk about entrepreneurship because it is the best way to achieve the impossible. If you want to be part of it, 2 things to do: subscribe, and activate notifications to receive our business videos and help you start your business. And the second, go to the description and click on the links to receive a free ebook. It will give you a good mindset and new prospects for making money. And for those who are ready to get started and make money, our training is available to help you take it to the next level. An online marketing plan for local business needs including being familiar with Google Places. Google Places is an excellent tool for making it easy for customers to find your business. If you want to be able to market to your potential customers, this is something you should consider as a part of your internet marketing strategy. SEO, search engine optimization, is vital to any internet marketing strategy. Not only will this help your site get a higher ranking on the search engines, but it will also help you achieve a better placement for your particular business. Article marketing is a proven method of getting targeted traffic to your website. Article marketing is also a simple way to boost your sales and profits. One of the best marketing strategies is by using software tools like HubPages and Squidoo. By using these tools, you can easily publish articles to your website to help build traffic and also give your site more exposure. It is no secret that social media is a very powerful marketing tool. This can be a great tool to use if used correctly, so you will want to make sure that you understand how to best use it. The first step in promoting your products or services on the internet is to sign up for any affiliate programs that you can. With the number of affiliate programs out there today, it can be a little overwhelming to decide which one to choose. When you are planning a marketing campaign, you need to find out which methods will be more effective in reaching your audience: direct response business model or search engine marketing. Search engine marketing is the most popular and widely used, but direct response is still a viable choice. Article marketing, link building, search engine optimization, and pay-per-click are all part of what make up a successful internet marketing campaign. Use these strategies in your online marketing plan. There are various programs that you can join and offer to other businesses in order to increase your revenue. This is why it is important to become a member of as many different affiliate programs as possible. Part 2 of this article is now available. You can find it by either clicking the link below or at the bottom of this page. Share the video if you think someone needs to hear this message. And we meet in the comments so that you tell me what you think. See you in the next video.